Guys, so it's time for the product review. As I said, we're talking about the Nioxin hair care system number 2, these two miraculous products, the shampoo and the conditioner. So guys, just to let you know, the Nioxin hair care system number 2, of course, it targets the issue of hair thinning, balding, if you have bald patches, hair fall, excessive hair breakage. So those are the kind of people who are looking at these kind of products. And because Nioxin range comes under number 1, 2, 3, so there are like 5 to 6 variations. So the one I'm talking about today is hair care system number 2. What kind of hair does it target? So it is meant for natural hair. By natural hair, I mean that your hair is still not colored, so there is no color in your hair. So the need accordingly for your hair, the need for hydration or moisture is rather less. It's not like they're really chemically treated or really colored, so you need intense moisture. So if your hair comes under these category, hair thinning issues with light moisture need, no color so far, then the hair care system number 2, Nioxin's hair care system number 2 targets your kind of hair. So starting with the cleanser shampoo, comes in a bottle like this. Guys, you will notice it's a very old school, nothing fancy kind of packaging. That is primarily because Nioxin is a very old brand. I think they have been creating these products for hair thinning for more than 20 years now, so they haven't changed the packaging much. The aroma of this shampoo is amazing. It has this like peppermint, menthol, because it does have peppermint, because that targets hair regeneration. So people who like that minty kind of fragrances in their beauty products, hair care products, are gonna love that scent, right? So that is something unique about this shampoo. It's sheer, pretty much sheer, but it has a dash of greenish hue, I would say, right? Again, I think because of the presence of menthol, mint in it. So guys, this is the first step in the whole hair care regime that you have to do: shampoo followed by conditioner. Actually, there is a leave-in product number 3 as well, but these two products by itself, the shampoo and conditioner, are also very, very effective. So this shampoo, what it does is this actually cleanses the scalp, this detoxifies. So this removes all the sebum. Sebum is nothing but the deposit that is there on your scalp, because our hair follicles do get covered with toxins, dirt, pollution. So the word for that deposit is sebum, but that is actually harmful for the hair, the scalp, because that inhibits hair growth. So this nicely cleanses it, guys, because this has salicylic acid. Salicylic acid has this property of just like cleansing all the impurities. That's why it's used in acne products as well. So that is what this shampoo does: cleanses the scalp nicely and prepares it for the hair thickening treatment. Talking about the scalp therapy conditioner, is a rich, creamy kind of a conditioner by the looks of it, but once you apply, you feel that it's pretty lightweight. It's not really, I wouldn't put it in a greasy kind of a category. Guys, what it does, it primarily amplifies the volume, the structure of the hair. It adds to the diameter of the hair. Technically, it has those properties. So what happens is you start feeling over a period of time, actually after the first few washes, you will feel that you just have overall more hair. Why? Because primarily the volume gets amplified, it gets multiplied. So, but also what happens is after a period of time, the bald patches that you have, they also start filling up, because that is how the conditioner works. That is why this conditioner is something that we use on the scalp as well, because typically we don't put conditioners on scalp, but this one does penetrate into the scalp, does a job, and promote regeneration in the long run. So utilizing this hair care kit is very simple. As a first step, you will shampoo your hair. So just nicely dampen your hair. Take a dollop of this shampoo on your hand. Create nice lather by diluting it first on your hand, and massage that lather onto your scalp for good 1 minute. Guys, massaging your scalp is very, very important with these two products, because they work at the root level. Otherwise, the hair thinning issue is not going to be taken care of. So do not skip that step. It's very important to nicely massage in circular motions your scalp. Do it for at least 1 minute. Rinse it off with loads of water. Take the conditioner, the next product, take it on your hand first, nicely rub it on your hand, spread it evenly, apply it on your strands, the lengths, the tips, as well as the scalp. Again, massage it for a minute, leave it on for 2 minutes, and then rinse it off with water. right? And towel dry your hair, let them dry, naturally detangle them, and don't apply any other product after that. Guys, overall a very effective hair combo, you know, for people who have not been able to find a solution to the problem of their hair thinning, balding, excessive breakage, hair fall. Definitely this is one of the most, I think, the oldest brands when it comes to hair thinning products, and tried and tested. They have some raving reviews online, you can check those. They are clinically tested, UV safe as well. But as I said, this number 2 hair care system number 2 is only for people for whom there is no hair color at the moment. So your hair shouldn't be colored, then you can go ahead and utilize this shampoo and conditioner. Alright guys, that's all from my side for today. I'll see you again with yet another useful video. Bye bye.